everyone, David Bayliss here, BMPRO Ambassador, and today I'm just going to run through a quick little battery change on one of our Smart Connect products, our SmartTemp, which a lot of people stick inside their fridges so they know the beer's cold and the food's not spoiled. So it's pretty simple. I'll just get inside here. Just got myself a little screwdriver here, and it's there's a little recess in here in the back. I'm not sure if we're able to zoom in on that. Right, I'm just going to pry my screwdriver up into that. There she comes, nice and easy. Lid comes off. I'll take it out evenly. It comes out nice and evenly. Right, take it out evenly, and there we go. Notice this one's got a very big battery in it. So this is a 2477 battery. So push that out with your finger, or push that out with the side of your screwdriver. And there we go. So dirty big battery there. So there's a switch on one side, LED on the other. All right, so we just get our new battery. We'll put it back in. You'll get a light change, red and green. Okay, it sits in. It's got a keeper on the back there, so you can't push the battery too far back. Now you'll notice on this, when I hold it up this way here at the top, so we've got to get it back in together now. There's a slight groove and a very small hole at the top of the PCB, the printed circuit board, the green board. Inside the case, we have to align that. And inside the case, there's a few connectors, one on each side, but the one up here, the top one, you'll see that it's got two connectors just sitting there. One is actually a little upward piece of plastic, and the other one is a groove to be able to align them. So it only fits back in one way, and you'll notice when we get it in the right way, it sits down quite flush. So there you go. So you can see it sits quite flush. If you haven't got it that flush, it means that you haven't got it sitting in there properly, and if you try and force the lid on, you're going to break the plastic. So get it down nice and flush like that, and have a good look around. Get your glasses on if you need to. And now lining it up, the white button on the bottom of the temperature sensor is the button. The white marking is the button, and you'll see the button in here is the one which is protruding upwards. We need to align those two together. So align those together. Clip. And there you have it. Your Smart Connect SmartTemp is ready to go. See you next time.